Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Shahraz. We're diving deep into the world of tech today, but not just any tech. We're talking about turning your phone into a hacking powerhouse. We've got 12 apps lined up that can give you some serious hacking capabilities right from your pocket. Some of these are for network analysis, others for security testing, and yeah, some can even give you a bit of remote control. So, if you're ready to unlock some serious tech skills and see what your phone is truly capable of, buckle up. Let's get into it.
First up, we've got Termux. This app is a game changer, literally giving you a Linux environment right on your phone. Think of it like this. Your phone usually runs on Android, right? But with Termux, you're basically installing a whole other operating system, Linux, that runs right alongside it. It gives you access to a ton of powerful tools and commands that you just wouldn't have on a normal phone. We're talking about running scripts, compiling code, and basically having a portable hacking station in your pocket. Once you have Termux installed, you can start installing those tools. It's free, it's powerful, and it's the key to unlocking a whole new world of possibilities on your phone.
Next up, we're talking about AndroRAT, and this one's a bit more intense. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool, and as the name suggests, it lets you remotely control other Android devices. Now, before you get any ideas, remember what we talked about: ethical hacking only. AndroRAT can be used for legitimate reasons, like remotely managing a device you own or troubleshooting tech issues for someone. So how does it work? Basically, you install the AndroRAT app on the target device, again, ethically and with permission, and it gives you a bunch of remote control options. You can access the camera, read text messages, track the device's location, and even control the phone's microphone. It's a great way to learn about mobile security and the potential vulnerabilities of Android devices, but always use it ethically.
All right, moving on to something a bit more professional, zANTI. This app is a beast when it comes to mobile penetration testing. Now, penetration testing is basically ethical hacking with a fancy name. It's all about finding vulnerabilities in a network or system before the bad guys do. Think of it like this. You're hired to break into a building, but not to steal anything. You're there to find all the weak points, the unlocked doors, the broken windows, so the owner can fix them before a real thief comes along. With zANTI, you can map out networks, scan for open ports, test for vulnerabilities like outdated software, and even launch simulated attacks to see how the network holds up. Now, zANTI is definitely more advanced than the first two apps we talked about. But if you're serious about cybersecurity and want to explore the world of penetration testing, zANTI is an incredible tool to have in your arsenal. So you're serious about this ethical hacking thing, huh? Well, in that case, you need Hackode in your life. This app is like the Swiss Army knife of ethical hacking tools, packed with everything you need to explore network security and test your skills. We're talking about network scanners, port sniffers, vulnerability detectors, exploit tools, and even security feeds to keep you updated on the latest threats. One of the coolest things about Hackode is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to the world of hacking, the app does a great job of making these complex tools accessible and easy to use. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Hackode has something to offer. So if you're looking for a versatile and comprehensive ethical hacking toolkit, look no further than Hackode.
All right, let's step it up a notch with cSploit, an advanced security toolkit that's not for the faint of heart. This app is designed for serious security professionals and ethical hackers who want granular control over their network assessments. We're talking about deep network analysis, packet manipulation, MITM, man-in-the-middle attacks, and even exploiting vulnerabilities in real time. Now, cSploit definitely requires a solid understanding of networking concepts and security protocols, but if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn, cSploit can be an incredibly powerful tool for ethical hacking and security research. Use cSploit ethically and legally, and only on networks you have permission to test. This is not a toy, it's a professional-grade tool that should be treated with respect.
Ever wondered what devices are lurking on your network? Who's connected to your Wi-Fi? Well, Network Mapper is here to answer those questions and more. This app is all about network discovery and security auditing, giving you a clear picture of your digital surroundings. With Network Mapper, you can scan your network for connected devices, identify their IP addresses, host names, and even the operating systems they're running. This information is incredibly valuable for both security and troubleshooting purposes. Network Mapper is a powerful tool that can be used by anyone from IT professionals to home users who want to keep their networks secure.
Okay, this next one's a bit controversial, but we're all about exploring the full spectrum of ethical hacking here, so let's talk about DroidSheep. This app allows you to intercept web session profiles over a Wi-Fi network. In simpler terms, it can potentially capture login credentials, cookies, and other sensitive information being transmitted over an unencrypted Wi-Fi connection. The purpose of DroidSheep is to demonstrate the dangers of using unsecured Wi-Fi networks and to highlight the importance of using HTTPS and other security measures. So DroidSheep, a powerful tool, but use it ethically and responsibly.
Let's talk about a classic in the world of networking and security, Nmap. This powerful network scanning tool has been a favorite among ethical hackers and IT professionals for years, and for good reason. Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper, allows you to discover hosts and services on a computer network, creating a comprehensive map of your digital landscape. With Nmap, you can identify active devices, open ports, operating systems, firewall configurations, and even the versions of services running on those devices. Now, Nmap is a command line tool, so it's not as user-friendly as some of the other apps we've talked about.
Ever been frustrated by someone hogging all the bandwidth on your Wi-Fi network? Well, WiFiKill might just be your new best friend. This app gives you the power to control who has access to your network, allowing you to cut off internet access to specific devices with a single tap. WiFiKill can be a useful tool for managing your network, especially if you're dealing with bandwidth hogs or unauthorized devices. It's a great way to learn about network control and security, but always use it ethically and responsibly.
Alright, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the deep end with NetHunter. This is not just an app, it's a full-blown penetration testing platform designed specifically for Android devices. If you're serious about mobile security and want to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level, NetHunter is your ticket to ride. NetHunter transforms your Android device into a portable hacking powerhouse, giving you access to a vast arsenal of tools and features. We're talking about network sniffing, packet injection, vulnerability scanning, password cracking, and even creating fake access points to lure in unsuspecting victims. Ethically, of course. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn, NetHunter can be an incredibly powerful tool for ethical hacking, security research, and just pushing the limits of what's possible with your Android device.
Ever wanted to control your phone from your computer? Transfer files wirelessly without the hassle of cables? Well, SSHDroid is here to make your life easier. This app turns your Android device into a secure shell SSH server, allowing you to connect to it remotely from any other computer. With SSHDroid, you can access your phone's file system, run commands, install apps, and even control the device's hardware, all from the comfort of your computer. It's like having a virtual cable connecting your devices, but without the limitations of a physical connection. SSHDroid is a versatile tool that can be used by developers, system administrators, and anyone who wants to manage their Android device remotely.
Last but not least, let's talk about Fing, a network scanner that's as simple to use as it is powerful. Whether you're an IT professional or just a curious home user, Fing gives you the tools you need to understand and manage your network. With Fing, you can scan your network for connected devices, identify their IP addresses, MAC addresses, manufacturers, and even their online status. Fing also includes a bunch of other useful tools like port scanning, wake on LAN, and even internet speed tests. It's a comprehensive network toolkit that's perfect for troubleshooting network issues, identifying potential security risks, and just keeping tabs on your digital domain. Fing is user-friendly, feature-rich, and an essential app for anyone who wants to take control of their network.
And there you have it. 12 apps that can turn your phone into a hacking supercomputer. From network analysis to penetration testing, these apps give you the power to explore the world of cybersecurity, understand the vulnerabilities of mobile devices, and learn the skills needed to protect yourself and your data. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and legally, and only on networks you have permission to test. So go forth and hack responsibly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights, deep dives, and epic journeys into the world of technology.